Today we're setting sail on one of Disney's most legendary dark rides. And you won't believe what happens when we hit the back row. This is Pirates of the Caribbean at Magic Kingdom, a timeless adventure filled with treasure, chaos, and one very sneaky Captain Jack Sparrow. Let's dive in and see if this Disney classic still lives up to its legendary name. Pirates of the Caribbean is one of those rides that defines what a dark ride should be. From the moment you step into that dimly lit queue filled with cannonballs, torches, and echoes of pirate tunes, you're not just waiting in line, you're stepping into another world. The atmosphere alone sets the tone. It's got that perfect balance of mystery, nostalgia, and that Disney magic that never gets old. Once you board your boat, it's smooth sailing, well, at least for the first few seconds. You drift past eerie caverns, skeletons guarding their lost treasure, and that iconic drop that takes you right into the heart of a chaotic pirate battle. The smell of the water, the sound of the cannons, the flickering lanterns, everything about it feels handcrafted and timeless. And then, of course, there's the music. That catchy yo-ho, a pirate's life for me, kicks in, and you can't help but sing along, even if you don't admit it. It's one of those soundtracks that just sticks with you. It's classic Disney at its best. My favorite part, hands down, has to be the Captain Jack Sparrow animatronics. Every time he pops up, hiding behind barrels or sneaking through the chaos, it feels so alive. The movements are fluid, the expressions are spot on. It's genuinely impressive how realistic he looks. It's that perfect blend of storytelling and technology that makes Disney dark rides stand out from the rest. You almost expect him to wink at you as you pass by. So here's my honest review. I'm giving Pirates of the Caribbean a 7.5 out of 10. Why? Because this ride is the gold standard of what a dark ride should be. Every modern attraction, from Rise of the Resistance to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, owes something to this classic. The storytelling, the set design, the animatronics, it's all there. But I will say, it's starting to show its age in a few spots. Some scenes could use a little refresh, and I think Disney could give it a light update while keeping the charm intact. Still, for what it is, it's a must-ride every time I visit Magic Kingdom. So, what do you think of Pirates of the Caribbean? Do you think it still holds up as one of Disney's best dark rides, or is it time for a major update? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your ranking. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Matt Machine, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next theme park video. Thanks for watching, and remember, dead men tell no tales.